Hi guys, and welcome back to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Facebook account. To start, open and locate your Facebook application in your mobile device. Once on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right. And then in here, click on the gear icon near the search bar, and that means Settings. Now tap on Personal Account and Information. In here, you will see Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. Once it's done loading, there is an option that says Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on that option. In here, choose whether deactivate or delete your account. Then click on the blue button. In here, you'll need to enter your password. Once you enter your password and then click on Continue, that should be able to deactivate your Facebook account. Of course, I won't do it, but in your case, you can. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.